Every day, your mining operation generates mountains of data, valuable information buried in countless formats and systems. But turning this data into actionable insights? That's a time-consuming, expensive challenge. Without real-time reporting, decisions lag, opportunities slip away, and losses pile up. This is where Capstone turns challenges into solutions. Introducing Capstone AI, the game-changing platform for mining operations. With real-time reporting, precise forecasts, and instant alerts, it empowers smarter decisions through an intuitive dashboard. Monitor key metrics like revenue, production rates, equipment health, and safety predictions, all in one place. Let your data drive results effortlessly. Here's how it works. Employees simply download the app and upload existing data formats into the AI Smart Drive, a monitored AI-powered database. The system automatically analyzes, structures, and vectors your data, flagging any unusable entries for review. Let your data get to work immediately through the AI assistant, unlocking powerful insights tailored to your mining operations. Gain production forecasts that compare actual performance with predictive analytics to help you stay on target. Identify potential equipment failures before they happen, minimizing costly downtimes and improving operational efficiency. Ensure a safer workplace with safety incident probabilities that allow you to take preventive action. Plus, with real-time alerts and intelligent recommendations, you can make informed decisions faster than ever, driving efficiency, safety, and profitability across every aspect of your mine.